Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your payments on your MoneyLion app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here. So you click on this sign down here. Then when you click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down until you found here revealers, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find your errand here. So bonus errand and here active bonus here. You will find it all errands you have. I like to say I have zero, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.